and then now I have. If you noticed, I'm losing some weight. I gain a lot of weight, so I'm trying to like do healthy lifestyle. Dietary
Yeah.
ramen. ስለዚህ I go there. I do like almond. I use almond milk instead of like regular milk. Almond milk.
Okay, yeah. Isn't that healthier? Or what?
Yes. It's
Okay.
because plant-based. Plant-based, so milk is not good for you. You know that, right? I mean,
Seriously, I know American milk. That's bad.
American milk, yeah. Not Ethiopian milk is really good, but
Raw milk is good. Also, you know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to cut off seed oils as well.
Like what?
Seed oils. You know, like the oils in America. Like, I don't know. People said it's bad for you. Gonna look.
Like sesame seed oil and stuff.
Like they say, guys, meant to know this on the seed oil that America. It's like, it's not good for you. People say. Guys, meant to know. Like what's that one oil called that's bad for you?
Oh, canola. Is it canola?
I think so. Yeah, people say like, oh, it's bad for you. Something. They say use avocado oil.
Yes, I mean I use avocado oil. I use olive oil. I use a lot of olive oil actually, but I'm more the olive oil. Good. Like for frying it, for fried stuff, you can use olive oil. So, but I love avocado and olive oil. Like this is the two oils I use a lot at my house.
Yes, avocado oil. It's the best.
But oils in general, except the olive oil, it's very bad for you. Olive oil, they take a shot. I literally see like this famous people like Kim Kardashian.
Oh yeah.
Olive oil, like in the morning, they take a shot of olive oil.
Oh.
Yeah, it's supposed to be really.
Have you tried that?
No, not really. I don't know. I don't know if I will just drink it. I will have it in a salad and stuff, but drinking it
is crazy.
Drinking it's like you have to. I don't know. Beef tallow. Yes, Selena. Yes. I actually want to make it, the beef tallow. Even it's good for your skin, you know that?
Yeah.
You can put it on your skin, your hair. Yeah, beef tallow is really good. Yeah.
When I was in Ethiopia, I just opened kefet and avocado, and then I just put it everywhere. I put it on my hair, my skin. Oh my gosh, it was so nice.
ቅቤ ትወጃለሽ?
ቅቤ like for me and ጸጉር or what?
Yeah, ለጸጉር.
I've never tried that again. I want to.
Yeah. ልቀባሽ እኔ ስትመጪ?
Yes, I will do. Oh my gosh. And then we can even go live and show the kibe.
I make kibe at home.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Yes, I've never tried kibe. Like you need again. Yeah. Wow, there's so much that I haven't tried. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm the type of person like I don't know. I just never have time to do anything for myself. I don't know.
Yeah. No, we're gonna have to change that. We have to change that, Daisy.
The butter. Yes.
Butter is good for you. Oh yeah. But I don't like the smell though. Like you, maybe a couple hours, 2 hours at most, and then you take a nice shower with good conditioner and shampoo and just rinse it all that out. Yeah.
Yeah.
What else? What's your favorite Ethiopian food?
It's so normal again. It's like, I swear I love tibs. I can't, nothing can top me over tibs.
You love tibs? Kitfo?
Also, I've never tried like a lot of Ethiopian foods, by the way.
What do you mean you never tried Ethiopian food? Like, you literally, like, how long were you there?
ሰባት ወር yeah
ሰባት ወር guys tap አድርጉ እሺ
yeah
ሰባት ወር you haven't tried ጥብስ I mean ጥብስ
like see like on the Ethiopian ምግብ see one Ethiopian
ገንፎ
okay genfo it's okay it tastes like peanut butter to me why does it taste like peanut butter to me like in me
maybe
I don't like peanut butter
texture no and it tastes like peanut butter but it's just a texture maybe
me I do not like peanut butter so it kind of genfo kind of reminds me of peanut butter but I've tried that
okay ገንፎ እንትን okay how about ጮሮርሳ have you tried ጮሮርሳ
ምንድነው
ጮሮርሳ
ምንድነው ቸር እንዴ ምንድነው ቸርሽ ወይ ምንድነው
say it I want to hear you say
ቸርሽ ቸርሳ oh ጨጨብሳ እንዴ
no ጨጨብሳ yes ጨጨብሳ እሺ no ጮሮርሳ is a food too but I will explain it ጨጨብሳ do you try ጨጨብሳ
I love ጨጨብሳ በእንቁላል በማር wow
I will make that for you
it's so good
በቅቤ በደንብ ታሽቶ እንቁላል አስቀሩ ከዛ ማር ሳለጅበታለሽ ላይ yes
so good that's probably like it was my favorite breakfast
yes
ever
okay yeah. I'm taking a note Daisy እንትን ጮሮርሳ ሞክረሽ አታውቂም
አላውቅም
እስቲ ስንቶቻችሁ ጮሮርሳ የሚባል ምግብ ታውቃላችሁ እስቲ እዚህ ጋር ጻፉልኝ አንዳንድ ቁጥር አናውቅም ሁለት ቁጥር እናውቃለን የምትሉ ጻፉልኝ I'm gonna explain አንድ ቁጥር አናውቅም ጮሮርሳ የሚባል ምግብ አላውቅም ሁለት ቁጥር አውቃለሁ የምትሉ ይሄ ሁሉ ሰው አያውቅም ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ይሄንን የባህላዊ ምግብ
እኔ የኔ ሁሉም ህይወት በቲክቶክ ምንም ሰዎች አውረ ምንድነው ጮሮርሳ I have not heard and so see that you're the first
what yo some people knows a lot of people don't that's crazy guys ጮሮርሳ የባህላዊ ምግብ ነው ወለጋ አካባቢ ነው የሚሰራው and ጮሮርሳ ይባላል እና እሺ አይታችሁት ይወራል ምግቡ ማለት ነው ይወላችሁ በጥቁር ጤፍ ነው የሚሰራው ከዛ አይብ ላይ አለ ከዛ ቅቤ እንደዚህ ቅቤ ሲያረጉበት ምናምን ቪዲዮ አይታችሁ ታውቃላችሁ እንደዚህ ቅቤውን ክንደንትን እላው ላይ ሲያረጉበት እሱ ምግብ ጮሮርሳ ይባላል እና it's ወለጋ አካባቢ ነው በብዛት እንትን የሚባለውና it's traditional food በጥቁር ጤፍ
አዲስ አበባ
እንትኑ እንጀራው ወፍራም ተደርጎ ነው የሚጋገረው yeah and it's really good
I want to see what it looks like ግን I'll search it after this
ጩምቦ ታዲያ ደሴም እኮ ነው ጩምቦና ጮሮርሳ ነው የሚባለው እና ጮሮሪ ይደረግበታል ቅቤው ለዛ ይመስለኛል ጮሮርሳ ያሉት እና ብዙ ቅቤ ነው የሚገባበት እላው ላይ ልክ እንደ ምንድነው እንደ ጀበና ነገር ነው እሺ ግን ጀበና አይደለም ግን እንደ ጀበና እንትን ነውና ቅቤው ማአት ቅቤ ነው የሚደረግበት እላው ላይ ቪዲዮ አይታችኋል እርግጠኛ ነኝ አይታችኋል it's really yummy oh my god ከዛ ተቆራርጩና እሱን like ትንሽዬ ከበላሽ ወድሽ ነው የሚሞላው
ወይ ጨጨብሳ
አረቅ ቤት ወዶ የምናውቀው ምግብ እንኳን ተረስቷል ያ ጨጨብሳ አላፍ ጨጨብሳቱ እዚህ ግን in moderation ያወፍራል ታውቂያለሽ
በነት
in moderation because I mean it's you know it's carbohydrate plus ቅቤ is fat you know Manaman, so it's you just have to that's the kind of stuff you eat once in a while not every day I mean for me if I eat that every day I'll be 500 pounds
Mm. No, I don't eat it. Like,
አነባበሮ ይሄኛው እኮ አይብ አለበት። You know አይብ? Do you like አይብ?
ምንድን ነው አይብ?
It's the Ethiopian cheese, the white stuff.
I've never tried it. Oh, like the cottage cheese?
We call it ayib, but it's not cottage cheese. Ethiopian cheese.
Oh, like, ምንድን ነው ሰዎች they comment yogurt. The yogurt?
No, እርጎና አይብ ይለያያል. Okay, when you eat like ዶሮ ወጥ and stuff, they usually put it as a side.
Okay, sure. I've never tried that.
Are you serious?
No. I'm the Galila. Any month, I'm the pickiest person.
Are you so picky? You're picky.
I'm the pickiest person ever. The pickiest.
Oh wow! You didn't even like just to see how if you like it or not, like just a little taste.
I'm the pickiest person ever. But I'm.
You just look at it and say, "Oh no, I don't want it." Is that what you do?
Well, not like that. I don't eat like Ethiopian foods like a lot. Like when I was in Ethiopia, I'm like the spoiledest person ever. I go to like these restaurants, like the America type restaurants. Like I'm so spoiled, I swear.
Okay, what else? Ethiopia ምግብ I'm pretty sure ዶሮ ወጥ ቀምሰሻል.
I've tried it, yeah. That's chicken, yeah. It's good.
Like it? Okay.
Oh.
How about ሌላ ምን ልጠይቃት ጋይስ? እስቲ ጻፉልኝ ትራዲሽናል ፉድ ምግቦችን።
I like ድንች ወጥ.
Oh, you like ድንች ወጥ?
Yeah. Leela,
shiro. You like shiro?
Not that much.
Oh, you don't like shiro? Shiro's I love it. ክትፎ አልወድም። ክትፎ አትወጂማ? ክትፎ ትወጃለሽ?
I never tried kitfo.
Really?
Yeah, I'm scared of kitfo because I think like I know you can eat it like cooked, but again, mainly people eat it like raw. So.
ቆጮስ?
ምንድን ነው ቆጮ?
It's usually what you eat with ክትፎ. Like it's like a I don't know if I.
Is it like a square?
Bread. It's like.
Wait, is it like a?
Yes, square.
I never tried that, but I don't like the smell of it. But I've never tried it.
Yeah, you don't like the smell. Yeah, some people don't. How about? ላዛኛ እኮ የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ አይደለም፣ እሱ ኢታሊያን ነው። ቅንጬ የሚባል
Yeah, lasagna ነው።
Ask me lasagna. We're talking about Ethiopian. ቀይ ስር ሞክረሻል? ቀይ ስር?
I've never.
No, it's a beet. You know the red beet.
Okay, yeah, I've never tried that. Okay, yeah, I've never tried that. But I see that. I know.
እኔ እናትሽ
I need to try.
ከሁሉም እያጎረስኩኝ እንደው መልሰሽ እንትን አትበይ እንጂ ትቀምሻታለሽ። ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ትቀምሻታለሽ። ሁሉንም ነበር ማቀማመስሽ እንዴ?
Red beets and potatoes.
How about gomen?
I hate gomen.
You don't like gomen?
Or no, Simi. This I tried it. I'm Gize. Maybe it was their cooking. Look, I don't know. I tried it one time, like at a betisab party. Again, maybe it's different. Like people make it different in different ways. I don't know. But the one I tried, I didn't like it.
Yeah. Okay. ገንፎ ጠይቄያታለሁኝ። ብዙ አትወደውም ገንፎም። ጥህሎ የሚባል ጥህሎ, you know ጥህሎ?
No.
ጥህሎ is actually it's a traditional food in like Tigray region. Probably that's where it came from, I think. And it's like I need to explain ማረግላት ጥህሎ.
I wish I could see pictures. Maybe I saw it.
Yeah, I don't have the picture. But it's not like tomato, so like tomato sauce, like Ethiopian tomato sauce. You make that, and then like gumbo. It's basically gumbo, but they make it round, and then you're supposed to eat it with like a little stick, and you dip it in the sauce, and you eat it. Is that?
Wait, let me search it. What is it? What's it called?
Tahilo.
Tahilo. Okay, wait, Andy. Okay.
Tahilo. እሺ በሶ ጭብጥ በልተሽ ታውቂያለሽ?
በሶ ጭብጥ. Do you want me to search it? I search it. Show us pictures. Okay, wait. ምንድነው this ምንድነው? Galila.
በሶ ጭብጥ.
በሶ ጭብጥ. Okay, I don't know how to spell it. Give me try.
ዝም ብለሽ ታዩ። በሶ ጭብጥ በዛ ነው ያደግነው እኛ። በሶ ጭብጥ አያቴን ትዝ ይለኛል። ጭብጥ ያደርጉና ቁርሳችንን በሻይ እሱ ነበር የምንበላው። ቅቤ ትንሽ ጣል ይደረግበታል። ልውልዬ ወንድምየው እንዴት ነህልኝ?
Okay. Let me do this.
አገኘሽ? You found it?
Yeah, I think so. Wait.
I know. እኔም ልጅነቴን አስታወሰኝ በሶ ጭብጥ. Oh my god.
This is
that is tahilo. That's tahilo. Yeah.
Tahilo, and then
አለሁላችሁ። እንዴት ናችሁልኝ? I know. ትምህርት ቤት ልንሄድ yes, that is በሶ ጭብጥ.
Oh, I tried this. እኔ መመከር አንድ ጊዜ
ወደሽዋል? You like it?
Okay, didn't this taste like peanut butter too, or no? I don't. I don't know anything that like hula mikib that tastes like peanutty to me. Like I just don't like.
Yeah. So you didn't like it. Yeah. Yeah. Peanut butter. I mean, በሶ ለዛ ነው ገንፎ ነው ያልወደድሽው ማለት ነው. It tastes like maybe like texture. I don't know. Do you guys? እንዴ እንትን የኦቾሎኒ ቅቤ ይላል guys በሶ.
It's like when I eat it and then breathe out, it tastes like peanut butter to me. I don't know why. Everything tastes like peanut butter to me.
Okay, Leila. Okay, it's okay. I'm taking a note. I see a lot of food that you don't like, so thank goodness you tell me so.
I know. I'm the pickiest person ever. Is your daughter like that too? Does she eat everything?
She used to. Now she's like older. She's like no. She became like picky. But Alex was the same way. My son was the same way. So, you know. But like at one point, she will eat everything. Like she will eat injera. I'll make her shiro. She will eat it. Oh my god, that was amazing. And then she just stop eating it. Bulla matodum. Bulla.
Wait, let me see. Wait, hold on.
ቆጮ ስለማትወድ ቡላም I don't think she will like it. ይህንን ኮፊ ጋይስ በእንትን አድርጌ የሰራሁት በኮላጅን።
Yeah, I never tried Bula.
You never tried Bula? Okay. እሺ ወንድምየው ልብስሽን አስተካኪ እየተባልኩ ነው። My brother is like, fix your clothes.
No, Bula, I never tried Bula. I never tried so much Ethiopian foods. It's actually crazy. I don't know.
Okay. ጮርናቄ ወይ ጮርናቄማ ያሳደገች እናት ጮርናቄስ Have you tried it? No? You know what ጮርናቄ is?
No, ምንድነው?
ጮርናቄ is actually it's like okay, ጮርናቄ you fried. It's like
Oh, you know what you just reminded me of?
What is it? You know sambusa, right? Without
Yes.
the stuff in it. Like you just basically you fried.
Okay, it's like ምንድነው? What's the sim? Like it's like sambusa again. It's just like a pasty.
Pasty, yes. Go us.
Oh, I love that. I love that so much.
I love pasty. Bashai?
Oh my gosh. It's reminding me of Ethiopia.
Yes. Pasty bashai. I love it. Yeah.
It's so good. By the way, sambusa, it used to be like my favorite food. But TikTok, I always talk about sambusa.
What? Are you still like it? I love it.
Yes, I love sambusa.
Okay. Do you have Trader Joe's like in your area?
I don't think so. I think I used to see it like in Arizona, but I think I've just never went.
Yeah. They have really good samosas. Yeah. And you can make it at home. It's very easy to make it at home. Okay. Ambashas. Ambashayema ያሳደገችን ናት. We used to eat ambasha and what is it? ሽልጦ ታውቂያለሽ? ሽልጦ በስቲ ሽልጦ የኔ ቆንጆ አላፍ ሽልጦና አምባሻ ምናምን ጧት በሻይ ቁርሳችን እኮ ናት። በሻይ እሱን ግምጥ አድርገን ወደ ትምህርት ቤት ዳይ ሰርች ልታረገው ነው። አምባሻዬ ውይ በጣም
Okay, it's like a bread kind of
like Ethiopian bread, yeah.
I don't think I've tried that again. Hambasha, ምንድነው? Hambasha.
ናግባ ብሉልዬ አምባሻ, yeah.
Hambasha. Yeah, I've tried that. That's Hulum Ethiopia Sewage Beats. Guys, share out our ምንድነው?
Yeah.
Copy link. Is he live?
እርጥብ የሚባል ምግብ እኔ በነገራችን ላይ እርጥብ የሚባል ምግብ እኔ አሜሪካን ከመጣው እንትን ካልኩኝ በኋላ የመጣ ምግብ ነውና አላቆም። እኔ ሳድግ እኔ እዛ ሀገር ስኖር እርጥብ የሚባል ምግብ አልነበረም። ከዛ እኔ ሙቭ ካረኩ በኋላ ግን የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ እርጥብ እንዴ ምንድነው እርጥብ ስላቸው ዳቦ ውስጥ እንትን ይገባል፣ ፍሬንች ፍራይስ ይገባል ምናምን ብሎ ነገሩኝና I never tasted እርጥብ. When I go back, I want to taste it because I heard a lot of people like talking about it. Have you tried it when you're in Ethiopia?
When I was in Ethiopia, I swear so many people, they say, oh, Hiji, go try Ertib Mokuri. Again, I just never found the time to try it.
Yeah. So when I go back, I can't wait. That's one ምግብ I want to try because it wasn't there before. Like they just came up with it like in the last few years, I think.
Gin ምንድነው በእርጥብ? It's like, okay, is she like dabo, dinich? And then they put like ketchup and like, what else do they put? I don't know. Guys, ምንድነው እርጥብ?
ምንድነው የሚያደርጉበት guys? እርጥብ.
Yeah. I swear like aria, I think. Do they put aria?
Yeah, I think ሽንኩርት maybe. Yeah. I know they put French fries.
Dabo, yeah.
እርድ ይገባበታል እንዴ?
Oh, meatmita or berberi? I don't know. The berberi or meatmita.
What else do they put in irtab? Okay, I took a color. Yeah. I want to try it. You haven't tried it? Yeah. Sugo ይገባበታል? Okay. ይጣፍጣል? Guys, የቀመሳችሁት ይጣፍጣል በጣም?
Oh, my mouth is watering. I miss Ethiopian food so much.
Yeah. ይጣፍጣል. It's good እያሉ ነው። ሉልዬ እርጥብ ቀምሰህ ታውቃለህ?